If you want to scan a QR code on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have two main methods to do so. The first method can be done by using the camera. Go to the photo mode and simply aim at the QR code. And then if the QR code is detected, you can simply tap on the link in order to open it in the browser, or you can tap on the arrow in order to unfold different options, including copy and share. The second method that allows you to scan the QR code is by using the quick settings. So you want to swipe from the top towards the bottom on the right side of the phone, and then do this again, but from this panel here, in order to reveal different shortcuts and buttons. And you should be able to find scan QR code option, and then you can go over here to open the scanner, aim at the QR code, and once again you have several options. Now, if for some reason you don't have the QR code over here in quick settings, you can tap on this pen icon in the top right corner, press edit, and here in available buttons you should be able to find it. You can simply tap on that button in order to add it to the list, or drag and drop it to the quick settings and then press done in the top right corner twice. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!